How to make $250,000 in 1 year with subject to deals, even if you're a beginner in real estate. Today I'll be walking you through how subject to deals work. They are an essential part of the Millionaire Matrix, a process I walk many investors through that helps them generate over $1 million in real estate equity in less than 2 years. I'll prove to you with just one example how you can effectively make $250,000 in just 1 year doing these types of transactions. I love using lower end properties as an example because it gives you a realistic picture as to what's possible, even if the home price isn't anything impressive. Many of my mentor students are based in the Midwest, where there are a ton of homes under $150,000 to $200,000. So even if you live in the middle of nowhere, you can still make these deals work. Here's an example property. Step one, you purchase this property for $90,000, 10% below asking price, on terms using subject to financing. I'll give you more on that in just a moment. Step two, you sell it to a new buyer for $110,000, 10% above asking price on a 3-year lease option with 10% down, so $11,000, half in cash, half as a note. The cash in your pocket at closing is $5,500. The equity left is $14,500. That's $110,000 purchase price minus the $90,000 mortgage minus the $5,500 cash that you got. That leaves $14,500 of equity in the property. Your monthly loan payment is $900, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, on that $90,000 existing mortgage, and you lease the property for $1,100 a month. You make $200 a month positive cash flow. You also receive payments on the promissory note from the buyer, down payment assistance is what we call it, of $200 a month. So step three. So here's the breakdown. Your payment, your principal and interest, is approximately $750 a month. Your taxes and insurance, approximately $150 a month. Your total monthly payment is $900. Your total income from the buyer, $1,100. So $200 a month positive cash flow. Every year you make approximately $2,400 annually in your positive cash flow. That's after expenses. So $200 times 12 months, $2,400. You also make $1,200 annual payments towards the principal. That's the buy down on your existing note every month. You also make $1,000 annual IRS depreciation. This is the approximate actual dollar savings you'll save on your taxes. $3,300 a year on your market appreciation if the values go up 3%, which they do on average per year. So if the buyer doesn't exercise their option, so less than 30% of the buyers will exercise their option. If they don't exercise the option, you win. You also get $2,400 annual down payment assistant money, so that's that $200 per month income times 12. So this 3-year lease option sale nets you $10,300 total annual income from this property, plus an equity buildup of $14,500 per year per house that you purchase. You do one deal like this per month for 24 months, and you'll have a net profit of $247,000. That's 10,000 times 24 months of cash income. You'll also make $348,000. That's 14,000 times 24 months. That's the equity buildup in the property. So a total profit of $595,000. After 24 months, you'll own a portfolio of houses worth 24 times 110,000, $2.6 million. This is all from doing just one deal a month. If you did 2 or even 3 deals a month or purchased higher priced properties, you can expect to get to $1 million in real estate even faster. But in 1 year, you have easily made $250,000 from just the profit of the cash income and equity buildup over that 12 months. So it's pretty impressive. By the way, most of my students put in 8 to 10 hours of work into each deal. So once you develop your skills as an investor, you can make this kind of income in 8 to 10 hours a month. How Subject to deals work. Subject to is one of the most prominent zero-down strategies that you can use to buy property with no money down. I detail how Subject to works step by step in my presentation, How to Make $1 Million in 2 Years. You can go to this link. Subject to means that you're buying a property that is subject to an existing mortgage. Normally, what would happen in a conventional setting is you would get a loan from a bank or a lender to help you purchase a property. Whereas in this case, you don't need to involve a bank or lender at all. Instead, you're taking over a mortgage that the existing homeowner already has in place. As you might imagine, there are many properties out there that were secured with incredibly low interest rates before they went up. I've personally found many Subject to properties that were locked in at an interest rate under 3%. That's how you can purchase properties in 2023 at a very low interest rate, which would mean a lower monthly payment and higher cash flow, despite the asking price of the property. So with Subject to, we as the investor agree to make payments to the seller's mortgage until it's fully paid off. The mortgage remains in their name. However, we get control of the property. We're the new owners who carry the deed to the property. As you can see, there are so many benefits to this zero-down creative financing strategy. Namely, it's cost-effective. It allows you to gain equity a lot faster and allows you to acquire properties quickly and efficiently, and even if you have insufficient credit. And in the majority of cases, you'll get a better interest rate than what the standard is these days. Imagine if you could own real estate without being subject to high interest rates set by the Fed. What if you could purchase properties without any of your own cash or credit and build a portfolio of properties that would give you financial freedom? How could you help distressed homeowners and even renters in this crazy market once you have the skills to be able to structure these types of deals with confidence? If you're willing to put in 8 to 10 hours of work per week, you can absolutely land at least one of these deals per month. The next step for you. I teach Subject to and a variety of other zero-down structures in my Zero-Down Investing Accelerator. This is a 6-month mentor program where I walk you through step by step how you can purchase properties with zero down. It takes time, work, and dedication, but it 100% will work if you put in the work. Yes, 2023 has proven to be an uncertain year for people in real estate. But the truth is, there's opportunity for the prepared investor in times of uncertainty, not during times of confidence. My mentor program might be for you if, 1, you're an existing investor doing less than 5 deals a month and you haven't found a way to predictably scale your business, or 2, you're busting your butt doing a few deals a year, but you want more consistency to your income and you want to systematize and automate and grow your business while you gradually extract yourself from the day-to-day work. Or 3, you're completely new to real estate investing, never done your first deal, and are looking for a way to get started. Maybe you're looking to replace your current income entirely, quit your job, and create financial freedom. If you're not yet a member of my mentor program, here's a link for you to book a call. My name is Joe Crump, and I've been a real estate investor and mentor for close to 40 years. When I started, I built a $17 million real estate business in 3 years, starting from scratch. In 1991, I lost it all because of wishful thinking and stupid but common mistakes. Unfortunately, I still see investors make these same mistakes every day. my ignorance and hubris, trashed my credit, emptied my bank account, and caused me a great deal of humiliation. With no money and no credit, I had to start over from scratch. I needed a new way to invest because the banks wouldn't touch me. That's when I developed the pillars of the zero down investing framework that I teach and use every day. Over the years, I've trained hundreds of people in my techniques and led them to real estate success. If you'd like to learn more about how you can put together real estate deals without making a phone call and how you can create a $1 million real estate portfolio in 2 years, feel free to book a call right now. Here's the link. You might also want to take a look at this income earnings disclaimer. It's required by the FTC for every income opportunity out there so that you know what you're getting into. All right, I hope that helps. Good luck to you.